Well, top of the morning to you guys. It's the 14th today, and we're doing some construction. We're gonna rip this thing down. Yeah. This piece of crap. Look at that. Look at that. The weight of the roof is pushing down on this, and this little board thing is...
What are we putting in replacement?
We're gonna be moving this against that wall, and this is getting dead.
So we're putting this?
Yes.
Against that wall?
Yeah.
Yes.
And we're taking this whole thing down, but the thing that I'm very concerned about is that I don't know if this ceiling can hold itself.
Oh, it can. Of course it can. This isn't holding it up. This is like not doing anything really.
Well, you can pop it out.
We're breaking stuff!
You gotta watch your fingers for nails.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like this.
There's maybe one more up here.
There's one holding it right where we are. Right in here. And it's probably that screw that we need out.
It's that one.
We need that screw out.
Stupid antler.
It's
This is the only one holding it. If we just all jump
but
and hold on to this,
I know, but I don't want to rip the ceiling. I can't fix it. Because I don't even know what the ceiling's made of.
Just get some Bondo.
Just like get pliers and just pull it?
No, it's
Inside even, it's embedded in. Okay, now it's gonna come down.
should be out by now.
Well, don't worry about that because it's stuck into the wood, so let's try to drop it.
Okay, how's it roll?
Okay, it's coming off, Just that corner, Kate, we're
Okay,
good.
that's straight down.
We're good.
Pull it out from the wall a bit so I don't hit the ground. Yeah.
Okay, watch the fingers, hold the top.
Oh, cool.
Okay, we're good?
No, that's an easy out.
Yeah.
Put it in as you undo it. That's it.
Now we got a gross part of the ceiling. Yay.
Spray paint it white.
Yeah. Okay, now this.
And it's ripped down. Yeah. There's the back, the bottom counter antler, and there's the top part. Yeah. Looks way better. We can do this now. And not hit our hands, because you know we're always doing that. We did not get up to a whole lot today. I got a job though. That's cool. I'm helping some guy with his painting business or whatever. I'm just going to be sanding crap and stuff like that, so that'll be pretty cool. Terry. But it's a lot more quiet. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty cool. I start tomorrow morning, which is Saturday. Well, yeah. It's a good night for a bonfire. What do you think?
Great.
You? I like fire. Yeah. So, yeah, I might have another part-time job. Friggin' might not be part-time soon, but fixing people's trucks on the side. That'd be cool. I could do vlogs about that too, because I'll be like, well, today we got this truck and it's got this problem and I'm gonna fix it, and I'll show you guys how I fix this stuff. So you know what, that'd be cool. That'd be awesome, because then I could do more how-to videos. And the kinds of vehicles that I'm gonna be fixing, two of them so far, they're both Chevys. They both have the same problem, so it's a common problem. It's the window, the wiring and stuff. The windows don't go up after they go down, so I'll do videos on how to fix this kind of stuff.
Go down. No, wait, yeah, they do go up.
Yeah.
Because he said it didn't go up.
Yeah, he can.
And then he tried
the guy could get them down, but he can't get them back up. Yeah, and the one guy apparently like ripped all the wiring out and like jammed the window back up to do it, but it didn't work. So yeah, so I'll be doing those videos for you guys too. So yeah. Anyways, back to some toasty bonfire-ness and s'mores.
Yay.
Yeah, chooching good fire. Oh my goodness, my legs.
I know.
Just waiting for some like bobcat or something to come out of the bushes. And then we'll offer it marshmallows and be like, yeah, be our friend. And he'll be like, hey, oh no, I catch Back it up, back it up. My legs are on fire. Check it out. It's a mini tree flamethrower. Oh, and it's dying. See, I told you as soon as I turn the camera on, it's gonna die. Do it again, damn it.
No, it's dying.
Yeah, see, I told you, as soon as I turn the camera on, it's gonna die. But it was shooting out maybe like 3 inches. It was pretty funny. Is that your beak? He's funneling the heat into his face. Does it work?
Sort of.
Dude, that's funny. You're freaking hilarious. You're king of waffles. He's the waffle king. That's hilarious. You're alien proof now. They can't read your thoughts. The buttermilk waffle box is protecting your brain.
Watch this.
Oh, fire hat! I'll let you know when you're on fire. Okay, you're good.
Honey, take it off!
My fire?
No, it went out.
Oh.
No, okay, no. I'm sorry, no. Do you understand how dangerous
Just
that
let him do it. It's so funny.
I'm born into this stuff.
I'll let you know when you're on fire.
Stupidity.
Yeah. Okay, you're on fire.
You're on fire.
That's awesome hat.
Okay, yeah, guys.
That's an awesome hat. Oh my goodness.
Well, this is his funny hat. He's gonna light on fire. This is great. Keep going, Steve. It's cardboard. It's gonna be a little harder. Keep going.
Is it on fire? It's getting brighter.
Yeah. It's not gonna light you on fire. You're gonna get smoke up your neck, though.
That's fine. Oh, I'm chooching. I'm chooching.
Hold on, hold on.
Yeah,
Slowly pull it out.
Cardboard.
Slowly pull it out. Yeah, you're lit on fire. There you go. See?
Wait, I got something really funny.
You don't like the pile on fire.
Huh?
Don't like the pile on fire. What are you doing? Oh man.
Oh, and then we cheeched.
It's too dark. Can't see jack crap. You're not inconspicuous. She notices it.
I'm Pyro Head. Yeah.